To make an appointment for the lead exam in 2025, start by going to the official website of the Professional Regulation Commission, which is the governing body responsible for conducting the exam. On the website, navigate to the examination section and click on the lead exam link. Carefully read and understand the exam requirements, qualifications, and schedules. Make sure you meet the eligibility criteria and have all the necessary documents and information before proceeding. Next, create an account on the PRC Online Services portal if you do not already have one. This will require you to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, log in and select the lead exam option. Fill out the online application form with accurate and complete information. Be sure to review your application carefully before submitting it. After submitting your application, you will be asked to select a testing center and a date for the exam. Choose a testing center that is convenient for you and select a date that works with your schedule. Pay the exam fee through the available payment channels, which may include online payment, bank deposit, or over-the-counter payment. Keep the payment confirmation as you will need it for your records. After completing the payment, print out your exam appointment slip, which serves as proof of your registration. Review the slip carefully to ensure that all the information is correct. Finally, prepare for the exam by reviewing the lead exam syllabus and format, and practicing with sample questions and review materials. Arrive at the testing center on the scheduled date and time, with your appointment slip and required identification, and be ready to take the exam. By following these steps, you can successfully make an appointment for the lead exam in 2025. It is essential to stay organized, plan ahead, and carefully review all the requirements and instructions to avoid any issues or delays.